Okay, so we all know that the GMB reviews are extremely important. It's an extremely vital component of a local listing is to have reviews, as many as possible, as many 5-star reviews. It sends a huge positive signal to Google and will increase your client's ranking. And so the first thing you'll want to do is take a look at your client's current stats. So how many 5-star reviews, or, it could say like 4.7 average, and how many reviews they've received. You'll want to take a look at the reviews, briefly read through them, and see if your client is currently responding to them or not. And so that's definitely something that you can help them out with, either coach them for responding to them themselves, or offer to respond to them for them as a service. All right, so this is much like Facebook. The more engagement we have from our clients and customers, the better off we are. And so it's really something to stay on top of, respond to the reviews quickly. And, even if it's a bad review, you'll want to respond and ask, like, what could we do better? Right? So managing reviews can be done by logging into the Google My Business account and clicking on the Reviews tab. And so this is where you can see all of the reviews, and you can respond to them directly all in one place within this area. But this is a pretty slick way here to get that link and just email it out or put it into Facebook to share that review form and just be really proactive about the process. So you can grab the link, like I said, and share it on Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, via email. And then when they click on that link, they'll go to your page and they can submit a review. And then obviously next step would be for you to be monitoring that and helping them. So the call to action would be to coach your client as to the importance of reviews, see where they're at, and kind of find some gaps and make some recommendations. And like I said, sometimes people just need some training. Other times they want to know what needs to be done, and then they're happy to hand off that work to you. And so you're really just kind of making more work, like creating work, which is win-win, right, for everyone. So with that, I will leave you to it, and I'll see you within the next section.